I know technology is constantly changing in the industry, especially in the security industry nowadays. People are more worried about, like you said, who's coming in and out of the door. Talk to a little bit about the trends that you've seen over the years in the security industry, good and bad. What have you seen?
The biggest thing now with a lot of, there's, more smartphone use. There's a lot of security concerns around what we're putting in. A lot of it's hooked to the network. A lot of it talks across the internet. So, we try to make sure that what we're putting in is secure. You've got multi-factor authentication. You've got strength, password strength on your devices. So we try to set everything up as secure as possible, just to make sure that we're in compliance with what the customer's IT, especially in financial institutions, what they're looking for as far as security. So we make sure we comply with that. Other trends that I've seen, there's still people out there that haven't upgraded camera systems. They're really antiquated. They're still using analog cameras. So IP cameras have been a big thing over the years, and now they're moving into video analytics. Things like tripwire detection, loitering, lost objects, abandoned objects, things like that, where customers can get notified if any of those events in real time. So yeah, it's just it's the technology changes, but sometimes it's a slow process of everybody getting on board with it. So.